Hey everybody, welcome to another video of building Anzu. Today I want to port over our old, well, it isn't that old, but um, we've changed our design quite a bit. So I do want to port over the most active users section. I already started another take, but then I had to fix just like some leftover code that we didn't change for that. And I thought it was quite boring to fix that because I had to search around and just like lots of documentation. But now it's fixed, so like our API does return the most active users, as you can see. The numbers are a bit inflated in our seed, um, but it still does the trick, right? Like realistic data would look much different than that. So yeah, I also already started copying over just like the not even the basic component. Like you can see, there's nothing in there. I do want to make it look different to not different, but similar to this one. So I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, so let's see what we can do. I do need to consult the code in GitHub here. As you can see, it's really simple. Like we have a list. We can even just copy that over for now and see what it gives us. Okay, we don't have the list here, so let's add the list. Yeah, this one. Let's add this one. And we do need to add the list item. It's quite bold. I do want to change it to look similar to. Okay, now I cannot show you the events log. So probably gonna do that eventually. Let's also import the clock. Oh, we don't need that actually. Don't have the team ID. Identity, let's take a look. Yeah, the workspace ID, environment ID. So, as you can see, it's like a bunch of old code that does not exist in that way anymore. I do know that this is an empty string for now, so we do also need to check for this. Let's take a look at the username. So what Bruno did for the events view was actually quite nice. I will show you in a second. Just oops, let me comment that out. So we can actually take a look. Use params. Just give it to me. Analytics most active user. Sure, go ahead. Now it should work. So okay, it's still a bit broken. Gonna fix that soon. But as you can see, like it's obviously not what we want. Okay, we have this nice table. If we go here, you can see like the user. It's very nice. So I do want to mostly port that over so we have like this kind of view of this user. So let me events page. Let me take a look how I did the username. Term range picker. No, that's not correct. So we have the event list, user identity link. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's really nice actually. Let's use that instead of the username. So we can get rid of all of that practically. And it should work. Like, I don't know what shows anonymous user. Because we do have some users. Like, there is one user at least. Like here. So it should show that one. Oh, but let's take a look at what we need to do. And then we're gonna fix it. So I see. Okay, so let's go here to the backend. I'm sorry. Hope you didn't have to hear too much. Oh, that is actually return. So user ID. And how did we call it? Most active users. User identity ID. Do we change the naming? Let's do that actually. It makes more sense because it's just the ID, it's not the actual identity. And the some session duration. And I think that's also just called some session duration. Yeah. Let's try that. So restart the API. Now we should hopefully see something. Yeah, it's caught that way. That's good. It will look ugly because we, in our seed data, we have a lot of these 1 second events. Blocks analytics. Where's that coming from? Oh, we don't have that anymore. So begun it shall be. So that is the one I just removed because we actually removed, we moved the user identities from Postgres to ClickHouse, because so the analytics identities, that is. So I did have to clean up the query for this most active user list because we did not touch it for quite some time. But now was the time. So yeah, now you can see this. Is how it's supposed to look. I don't know why the Bruno appears 2 times, to be fair. Yeah, no, but of course he can if he identifies as this 2 times. That is okay. Yeah, that's just the seed data. So as you can see, we have like one user who's very active and all the other ones are practically just there for dummy reasons. I don't like how it looks, to be fair, so that's just, but it works. That's already good. Like, I really like this one. I do like the minutes active actually. Gonna change that. Yeah, so let's start with it looking more like a table. Not like a table. I mean, yeah, we're gonna make it look like a table, but no, with it being more on that kind of like card style. Because I really like that one. It's a nice style. Let's close those. Okay. putting this in here. Actually, we're gonna do this. So we can do it a bit differently. Oh, we don't need the relative then, actually. Anyway, doesn't really matter that much. Which one didn't get closed? Okay. So yeah, we can get rid of this bunch of thingy. Like the list is a bit legacy now. Don't use it that much anymore. So now it's aligned on that one. That's good. Where's my cardy? Oh yeah, there's my card. Beautiful, beautiful card. Span 10. Yep. Gonna put it in here. Pretty, pretty. Let's call it most active users. This one's actually not necessary here. Oh no. Okay. See, it looks very ugly. But at least we got the card going. That's good. So what I'm gonna do next? Get inspired by the events page. It's not a beautiful table. Like the code is not that nice. No offense against Bruno. I mean, it's just like a lot of not that is much better actually. Not gonna blame anyone. Let's do that actually. Card row. Just gonna clean up a bit, right? Yeah, that is fine. Oh, let's get rid of the relatives. Give me the I'm sorry. Still a bit sick. But gladly much, much less sick than in the days and weeks before. So that is already a good start. Yeah, just do that. I think. No, go away. Yep. Then we're gonna put the children there. Close this one. Close the other one. And we're good to go. Oh, we do need another spacer, I think. Yeah. Otherwise, we'll be broken. Okay. So it's gotta be much more tidied up. So you just can do this card row. And bye-bye to all of this. Oops. This, of course, needs to close this way. Ah, much better. Besides the background changing. Ah, yeah, because we also just got rid of the background. This needs to be back there. Okay. Now we're back to business. Yeah, so now it's much more tidy, so we can just do table. Actually, if the table is empty, we can just leave it like that. Like, what happens here if that is... I cannot collapse. Okay. Yeah, that's quite sensible. So we could do that too. And just say no events found. Oh no. Center, I think. Oh. What did we call it? Time range. Okay. Let's do this. Ah, we do have events. um, yeah. I'm gonna check it when we have no events. It's fine. I still don't like the. Yeah. So I think it's time for a table. So luckily Bruno already did most of the work for us. So we're just gonna do what every reasonable engineer's doing, and that is copying over the table. So of course we don't have events. Ooh, did we get rid of? Oh no. Ah, okay, yeah, that's fine. We do that checking somewhere else. But why is it? Does not like. So this one. Ah, so okay, we didn't copy over the closing tag. Much better. Okay, so we have the most active users. We're mapping those. User identity ID. String undefined. Yeah, well, actually, it's always a string for some reason. Probably because I didn't do the correct join. Yeah, so don't have a timestamp. We just have the whether we have a user. Let's start with the user ID. I mean, it's not useful information necessarily. Identity. And time spent. By. So that's just text. This is all not necessary. Bye bye. Oh no, did I fuck up the diffs again? Yes, I did. Okay, but prettier to the rescue. Oh yeah. So I mean it is string undefined. What is its fucking problem? String undefined cannot be. Ah, yeah, I see. Or null. So happy now? Of course you're happy. most active user list item. This is where we're gonna steal this one for the user ID. Hello, hello. How do you like this? Oops. Just steal the entire thingy. Oh, it's pre actually. It's really unnecessary, to be fair. Just, we have it, we're gonna display it, make it seem more rich than it actually is. It's fine for now. As the old saying goes, fake it till you make it. I am very sorry again. Also, this is just not cool. Let's get rid of the class. Okay. Ooh, that is ugly. Ooh, yeah. Why though? Why? Ah, okay, I know why. This one is 3 columns wide. Sure. There's no spacing. Does the other table have no spacing? No. I mean, we could change that by making the pre-inline. Yeah. Also, let's make the identity a bit wider. Oh, it's not beautiful. It really isn't. Also, this should definitely be 2 columns wide. I mean, it is better, to be fair. I would say we should just switch that up. Because ideally, you would have authenticated users in the product, right? So the most valuable information is definitely who is the most active user. So that should be the information you see first. And of course, Bruno is not the most active user right here, but I do think that's where the value comes from. It's nice that if it can't find the user, it's empty. Let's make this text just a bit less in your face. We have that one, so let's use it. Still, it's like the colors. It's a bit weird. I mean, it's not ideal. Then again, I would love that to be aligned. We don't need the padding here. Yeah. Actually do give it the bottom padding. Just so, yeah, a bit better. I do think the font medium makes it look a bit pronounced, but we're gonna keep it the same way just because, well, this makes sense. Oh yeah, see how active the users are. Yeah. Let's see. I think date functions probably has like a time span, formatted duration. Okay, so we do have the interval to duration. That is good. Um, And then we can form the distance. That's nice. Oh yeah, that's actually really, really cool. Let's do that. Let's do that. Can we do that? Sure. Yeah, this is gonna be a number. TypeScript, thank you. How was it called? Some session duration. Much better. Much, much nicer. That is so cool. I mean, it's funny that we have users apparently very active. Can't be right though, can it be? Let's check that out. Also, let's change the color to neutral. Text neutral. Ugh, maybe a bit darker. Okay. No, I don't like it. Make it a bit. Yeah, that's cool. I also love that's like 4 days active and less than 5 seconds active. But it's the seconds, right? What is the input? Date. Actually, we don't need to include the seconds here. I do not think that is useful. Yeah, less than a minute active. So, I do not believe it. So we have those are seconds. So minutes, hours. What did I do here? Hours, days, 4 days. Oh yeah, it's correct. Cool. So we do have users who have been active for over 4 months. Okay. I'm gonna live with that. Yeah. So yeah, I think it's not beautiful, but it actually is quite insightful. So it gives us all the insights we need to know, which is the goal for the Insights tab for now. Like, shows you how active they are. Like we could give like maybe a tooltip or make it more rich, but I think that's a good thing for another video. So it's half an hour, so we made some good progress. I would say see you next time, and let's see what I will be working on then. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.